Hey, Landria here with just a quick little reminder of what's really happening on our planet. These are the ultimate tests. This is the time when we come together or we continue to act in density. What's density? Conflict, separation, judgment, argument. You get to decide right now what you're going to do with this test. Will you pass it? If you don't, it's okay. There'll be other tests along the way, but I think we're ready to move forward. This is an amazing turning point, and the less we move forward in fear, the more expansive we become. Tap into your creativity, knowledge, learning, giving, and solutions to any issues we have on this planet that cause frustration within people who are looking for that assistance. We can be positive solutions in a time where we're challenged, which this too shall pass. So ask yourself, how can I be a positive solution now? And it starts with your thoughts. So let's move forward in peace. Let's say our prayers and send that peace and light and love out to this planet in all countries and become one, a unified, one amazing, peaceful planet as we were intended to. Sending you blessings.